Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard backlight not working on Mac. So, if the keyboard lights are not turning on, the brightness may be set too low or all the way off. In many cases, simply increasing the keyboard brightness solves the problem. Let's first check the keyboard brightness setting. And to do so, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Keyboard. Now here, as you can see, I have set the keyboard brightness all the way to low. That's why the backlit is turned off. Now here, to increase the backlit, slide and move the slider toward the right side. And as you slide the slider towards right, you can check whether the keyboard lights turned on. If the keyboard backlit still not appear, make sure you are in darker room because the Mac can reduce or disable the backlit when there is plenty of light around you. As a quick tip, if you don't want to manually adjust the keyboard every time, you can enable the toggle right to adjust keyboard brightness in low light. This allows your Mac to automatically manage the keyboard brightness based on your surrounding. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.